Hello everyone, my name is Rifano Faizatur Ashauki and I'm from 9.2. Today I will explain about the material in science. So on my school I have studied about there is so many materials in science like the bones. Bones is a sum of the our body that have the structure are strong and that can make our body stronger. Bones have the many useful for us like have for use ability to our daily life. When we have bones, we can do many good activity that are have produce a positive impact such as salat, tadarus, and tahajud, and so on. Bones can also make we are grow and develop for our body that are make we more stronger and can uh, produce a healthier body for study and do a good activity. Not only that, but on my school, I already study about the others characteristic of living things, such as the cell, atoms, and the others that are have to have in our daily life that we not know about that. As a blood cell. On my school, we have already studied about blood cell that are living things on our body that for make our body stronger and also make our body produce an energy for our daily life. The characteristic of living things that are the like human that can be breathed or can for using the energy to daily life, and the characteristic of living things also like the have a movement like salat for uh, add our iman to Allah and for the do others good activity. On our body also have the other cells, tissue, organ, and the organic system that like mitochondria, chloroplast, endoplasmic, and the microtube. There are also Golgi, lysosome, uh, nucleus, and the uh, nucleolus. In our life, also in our school, also teach about the particle. That particle is a sum of object or something that have there is in our daily life, but we are not know about it. So that particle is have the like atoms, molecule, and ions. Atom is individuals of elements that are the smallest things in our body or in our world, because atoms have a shape that are very small that can't we know. So I'm sorry if I have bad words or the others, and I wish good for you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And then molecule. Molecule is one of the some particles that from the two or more things or two or more atoms that are fusion for make the molecules. And then ions. Ions is some of added or decrease in the atoms like H2O that can produce the H2O plus because the proton in H2O are decreased and then move to the other atom. There is also the O2 min, that are the atoms that have the added protons from the other atom, that like the H2O that give the added proton to the O2 min, that same with you added A decrease the proton that are produced the min. On my school also teach about the psychics, that are the individual of the others or the manipulation or gravity. The sum of the others material in psychics is how to count the density in our life. Density, if in Indonesia, is jarak, and we can know the density of the some things from this from the count, like P is same with m per v. P is a density and the m is a mass, and then v is a volume of the object. Not only that, because on my school we also study about earth and space. The example is how to the oxygen work, that explanation about the how oxygen produce and how oxygen that can decrease in our life, such as oxygen can produce from a tree, and then tree that are use the soil and use the water for to also use the sun for use for make the photosynthesis that are produce oxygen, and then we as a human are breathe the oxygen, and then that oxygen produce the H2O that are not useful for our. In our school, we also study about muscles, that are some of the our body that are can make to move and then make for using for to daily activity in our school, or we do a good activity such as salat, study, and then others.